If you want to easily and quickly send money to your friends or family internationally, Sendwave is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we will discover the convenience, speed, and security that Sendwave offers. Sendwave provides you with state-of-the-art encryption technology and is fully committed to keeping all your financial transactions secure and confidential. Stay with us to discover some key points about Sendwave, including how to send money efficiently and account verification processes in detail. Sendwave is a mobile application that allows users to conveniently send money across international borders, with a particular focus on transferring funds to countries in Africa and Asia. Sendwave specializes in facilitating international money transfers, specifically targeting users who need to send money quickly and securely to their family and friends residing in other countries. While Sendwave initially focused on providing reliable money transfer services to African countries, it has since expanded its coverage to include some regions of Asia as well, broadening its global reach and impact. Sendwave primarily operates through a user-friendly mobile app, making it incredibly convenient for users to quickly and securely send money directly from their smartphones. It is also available for both Android and iOS mobile devices. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing individuals to send money in simple steps. Users typically link their bank accounts or debit cards to the app to fund transfers and make payments conveniently. Sendwave was well known for consistently offering fee-free money transfers. Instead of charging explicit fees for transactions, the company makes a substantial profit through the exchange rate spread on currency conversions. The exchange rates used by Sendwave can significantly impact the overall cost-effectiveness of the money transfer service. Users should be aware of the fees applicable to their transactions. Sendwave also often offers instant or nearly instant money transfers to various countries, enabling recipients to access the funds more quickly and efficiently. Like other financial services, Sendwave relies on advanced security measures to protect and safeguard users' sensitive financial information. This can include advanced encryption techniques and other preventive cybersecurity measures. Users may need to undergo identity verification to comply with regulatory requirements and ensure transaction security. As for the method of registration, account verification, and the process for sending money, it is detailed as follows. Download the Sendwave app easily from the App Store today. Click the Login button if you already have an existing account, or the Sign Up button to create a new account. Please enter the required information below, your full name and your email address. Select the country, enter the phone number, and enter the password. Choose the destination country, agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Sign Up. A 6-digit verification code will soon be sent to your registered phone number for security purposes. Enter it here carefully, then click on Verify by email to proceed. Now kindly enter your username and password to securely access your account. Select the recipient's country from the options on the right and choose if it's a new recipient at this stage. Select a recipient from your existing contacts list or choose to enter a new recipient's details. Choose the recipient's country and the preferred method for them to receive it, like a bank account or another option. Seven, recipient application. 8. Recipient application. Enter the recipient's full name and clearly specify their bank's full name. He is now entering his bank account information, including his bank account number and his full home address. You can enable the option below if you lack address information. Without Victory, organization, organizing, organization, organizing, organizing. Organizing, 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 organizing. Your legal first and last name, as well as your complete date of birth, must be accurately entered into the appropriate fields, and then you should click on the Finish button to complete the process. Select the document you want to verify: passport, license, or government-issued ID card. Identify the country where the documents were issued and take a photo of the document. The verification process is now complete, and as a result, the funds have been successfully sent to the designated account. Post your questions in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.